Hey guys, how's it going? Brad Riley here. Welcome to another video. And in this one today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make $300 per day using Instagram. Now, just a heads up, this video isn't actually going to show you how you can get 1 million followers, sell your own products, or anything like that. Now, whilst that is definitely possible, you can do it. That is something that's going to take a lot of time, and there's a million things that go into actually building a successful personal brand and a successful Instagram like that. Instead, what I'm going to show you today is an actionable way that you can offer Instagram management and offer to run Instagram pages for businesses and actually make some really good money off the back of it. So if you guys are interested in that, you really want an actionable step-by-step process to make a 6-figure income using Instagram, then keep watching this video. And just before we jump into it, if you are new around here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss another upload. And let's jump straight into it. So how we're going to be able to get these clients for your business is using Upwork.com. And this, in my opinion, is the best way to get clients for any type of service-based business, especially in the marketing space. And I'm going to show you how I've been able, over the last several years, build a substantial income for myself actually managing and running Instagram pages on behalf of businesses. And pretty much every client that I've ever got for Instagram management has been through Upwork.com. So the first thing you need to do is create yourself an account as a freelancer and brand your profile as a social media manager or as an Instagram manager, Instagram expert. Also, what you're going to need to do is obviously have a little bit of an understanding as to how Instagram works and how you post content, how you write captions. If you know how to do that, then you can pretty much make money with this business model. And what I will also say is if you're actually searching for a video on how to make money on Instagram, then you probably already know enough about it in order to actually offer this as a service to businesses. So if you go to Upwork up here, once you've created yourself an account, you've branded your account as an Instagram expert, as an Instagram manager, you can go to the search bar. And as you probably guessed, you want to search the term Instagram. And what that's going to do is going to bring up all the jobs and job postings from businesses who have posted that they're looking for help with Instagram. So let's have a look what comes up here when we type in this keyword. Okay, so we've had 4,300 jobs come up with the keyword Instagram in its title or job description. And the crazy thing about this is these jobs refresh every 2 weeks. There's jobs added every day, but they only stay on the platform for 2 weeks. So, you know, this is 4,300 potential leads, potential clients that we can land within a 2-week period. So you're talking here 8,000 to 10,000 jobs every single month are going to be added, which is a really good amount to prove that this is not saturated at all. And, you know, even if you're a beginner, you can make money with this method. So let's take a look here. If we're going to sort by relevance, so these are the ones that are most relevant to our keyword search. And we can start to take a scroll through and see what people are looking for. So we are currently finishing the website for our business TrueSense. They sell candles, organic soy, vegan candles, okay? They need someone to take care of all of the social media marketing and in particular Instagram. This is a new business. We want someone with experience to help the pages grow, someone with passion, knowledge, and experience. Okay, there we go. That was posted 1 hour ago. They're willing to pay somebody expert prices to come in and run their Instagram pages and the Facebook and other social media pages. I need an Instagram expert. I need a Facebook and Instagram expert, Instagram and Facebook marketer, Instagram follow on follow, Instagram and Facebook social manager, Instagram manager. So you can see here, if you scroll through, there are so many jobs on here of businesses looking for help and looking for people just like you, just like me, to help them grow their Instagram pages, to help them post content on their Instagram pages, write captions, create hashtag strategies, post on the stories, whatever it may be. But there's a large amount of demand on Upwork for people looking for help with Instagram. So let's take this one as an example up here. This is clearly a business that are looking for help with Instagram for their luxury candle business. So let's say you look at this prospect here and you think, these look like a good fit. What you can go ahead and do is click the job, click submit proposal. It's going to open up in a different page here. We can scroll down. We can pop in our cover letter, answer a couple of the questions they have here, and click the submit proposal button. And that means we've actually reached out to this business. So just to give you a bit of insight as well, because if you're new to the social media management space, you're new to the Instagram management space, believe it or not, you can actually charge anywhere from about $300 per month upwards and in excess of $1,000 per month per business to actually run and handle the social media pages and Instagram pages. You know, the crazy thing about that is if you actually want to make, $300 a day or the equivalent of $10,000 per month, you can actually do that with, 10, 15, 20 clients just to run and manage their Instagram pages. So you really don't actually need that many clients in order to build a successful six-figure company managing and running Instagram pages. And obviously this video is showing you how you can scale it to that 10K per month, $300 per day mark, but you can easily make a side income from this. You could easily land 2, 3, 4 clients, make an extra $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 a month in income for yourself by simply posting on Instagram for clients, creating some content, writing the captions, scheduling it all out. So it's a really, really good way and a business that has so much demand going into this new year. So obviously, there's a variety of other ways that you can make money with Instagram. You can do affiliate marketing. You can flip and sell Instagram pages. There's ways that you can run Instagram advertisements as well and charge money for that. You can obviously build a larger audience, sell promotions and actually sell paid shout outs. You can sell your own products. I mean, there's so many ways that you can make money with Instagram, but in my opinion, this way is the most predictable way. And the crazy thing about it is, well, it's, you have that predictability of income because you get paid every single month. So think about it. You land, 2 clients. They both pay you $500 a month for daily posts on Instagram for you to write and schedule out the content. So you're getting paid $1,000 this month. But then next month, you're also going to get paid $1,000. And the month after that, you're also going to get paid $1,000. And it's a really, really fun way and a fun business to do that I guarantee beats your current 9-to-5 job or, not only is it more enjoyable, you can actually make a lot more money at the same time. So if you guys have any questions, maybe you're also interested in some other ways that you can make money from Instagram. I actually make money from Instagram in a lot more methods than just this. There's a lot of other things I do with the platform to earn an income. So if you are interested in that, again, drop a comment down below. If you have any questions as well, I'd be more than happy to help. Also, just to note, obviously, I've shown you Upwork.com here. This is by far the biggest platform. There's also other ways and other platforms that you can use to make money with Instagram. So if you want some more info on that, again, check out my YouTube channel. I've got a bunch of videos. And also as well, if you want to find out more in terms of the actual behind the scenes of the business, how you can get results for social media management and Instagram management clients, maybe you want some more information on the type of systems you need to build, how you can hire a team to actually help you with it, go ahead and check out my YouTube channel, subscribe. I've got a bunch of videos on how you can actually build your own social media agency. And then on a final note, if you are interested in some more personal help, you want me to mentor you every single day for the fraction of the price of any high ticket course or coaching program, if you want me to literally hold your hand and help you build your own social media agency, build an Instagram marketing agency, then check out the top link of the description. I've recently released the Entrepreneur Accelerator Mentorship group where I'm able to mentor, guide, help you every single day to build your business from scratch. And the great thing about it as well, it's only $30 a month compared to a lot of the other higher ticket courses and programs that can end up sometimes being thousands and thousands of dollars. So super inexpensive, and you get my help as your mentor to grow your business. And there's a bunch of other benefits you get as well, including weekly trainings, in-person events that I'm going to be throwing this year free of charge. So check that out on the top link of the description. If you want some more personal help, I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thanks again for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.